Hi guys, let me show you where I'm staying. I'm in Guadalajara and I am actually staying in a co-living hostel facility. Currently I'm spending about $10 a night to stay here, and I'm staying in what they call a capsule bed. So it's a kind of a bunk bed situation with about 17 people per room, kind of like shipping containers smashed on top of one another. We'll take a look at them, but first let's go look at their private rooms. They have private rooms, semi-private rooms, they have bunk bed rooms and capsule beds. And it's been really nice because there are people from all over. Oh, looks like somebody's flag has fallen. Mexican flag has fallen. There are people from all over the world here, and it's cheap, and it's in one of the best neighborhoods in the city, Colonia Americana. So let's go take a look. So they also have private rooms. I think he said this one's 650 pesos. You're gonna have to divide by 20 to get the price. This is the double bed private room. It has bathroom, private bathroom, and all these rooms have air conditioning. Well, the private rooms have air conditioning. There's air conditioning in the other rooms as well, but I think they only allow the air conditioning in the hostel rooms from 9 a.m. from 9 p.m. to 9 a.m. Eloise is gonna get me because she just mopped this floor, but this is the private. Oh, it feels so cool in here. This is the nice one. One of them's 650 pesos and one's 750 pesos. I believe this is the 650 pesos. It's nice, very nice. Looks like you have a patio exit. Yeah, private patio exit outdoors. I'm not gonna open it. The guy that manages this place, Alan, is really nice to take me up here and show me these rooms, the available rooms at least. This is the private bathroom for this room. Very nice. So I have been staying in the $10 a night. They have air conditioning here. I've been staying in the $10 a night bunks. I think there's 17 to 20 bunks in there. The only thing is the air conditioning only runs, like I said, from 9 p.m. to 9 a.m. So and this is the bunks, the semi-private bunks. This is $15 a night. $15 a night. There doesn't seem to be air conditioning in these rooms. Oh, there is air conditioning. But again, I think those air conditioners only run from 9 at night to 9 in the morning. And then here's the other private room, number 2. This is the most expensive room at 750 pesos a night. Divide by 20 to get your price. It has a TV, a nice double bed, I think you're paying the extra 100 pesos, which is $5. That comes out to $5. You're paying the extra 100 pesos for this private work area. And like you said, view of the garden, El Jardín. I'll take you guys down there in a bit, or maybe you've already seen it, depending on how this video is set up. So yeah, this is the most expensive room. Like I said, all the private rooms have air conditioning. All the semi-private rooms and bunk hostel rooms have air conditioning, but those rooms only run air conditioning at night. Oh, you're gonna see this one has a bathroom, I believe. Yep, private bathroom in here too. Is there a light? There is a light. Bathroom smaller, but nonetheless, it's still bathroom. They provide you with soap and shampoo. This place also has a, let me cut the light off. They're sticklers about cutting the light off and electricity usage, which is good for them. This place also has a wash room and a cafe attached. I will show you that as well. This place is nice. You are in the Colonia Americana area. Here are the level 2 bathrooms. This is the bathroom I've been using. This is a public shower. And hair dryer. This is their workout area right here. There are some pretty neat little workout. They've got yoga mats. They've got bands, which is great. They've got weights here so that if you want to, and a bar to lift your weights. And they've got this roller, which I love. I've used several times. And a yoga ball, which is, you know, pretty sufficient for a little free weight room. As well as, here's another level 2 bathroom. I think it might be occupado, but it looks pretty much like the same thing. Check this one more time since I have my, there's this one. And this one. Now let me show you level 3, where I am staying. So, in order to get to level 2, you gotta go up that many flight of stairs, and now to go up to level 3, you gotta go up more stairs. So if you're against stairs, you probably shouldn't be in Mexico, honestly, but if you're against stairs, right here's the bunks. And I believe there's 17 in here. And you get a locker, and you can rent a lock for, I think, like $5 or $2.50 is what it is. Don't judge my place, it's a mess, but that's where I've been staying. We'll take a look at a clean one. All right, all the way in. I don't know if this is somebody's. They each have a, well, each one has a light and a fan. I guess I'll just show you mine because I don't want to be crawling in somebody's bunk. Okay. It's actually pretty cool in here with the fan. They give you a light. It's just one of these plug-in lights. Right here. I brought my own light, so I'm using it so that I can have 90 things plugged into the wall at a time. Also, you get a little fan. Might be hard to see, but it is a little fan. You can hear it running, and it's pretty powerful. The room is big enough to sit up in, and you've got a twin mattress and about a foot of space beyond that. It does get dark in here, and you have to open up your little window area. Your curtain. And they'll let you choose top bunk or bottom bunk if available. Like I said, you have AC. But it says we offer air conditioning from 9 p.m. to 9 a.m. During the course of the day, we have fans to take care of the environment. And then also, I believe right here is number 5 and number 6. I do not know what these are. They're probably private or semi-private as well. These are the bathrooms on the hostel level. Nothing to write home about, but they get the job done. There's a shower on this level too. Again, nothing special, but gets the job done, and the place is clean. They have sinks here. Somebody cleans every day. Somebody in here cleaning every day. And again, we go down steps. This is Miss Eloise from Ireland. She's cleaning right now. She lives here. I think they have a maid that comes in, but they have volunteers that clean too. Excuse me, pardon. Listen there. All right, so you can continue down those steps, or you can continue down these steps. Either steps work. This is the bigger steps. Well, they try to keep the private room separate from the hostel people. So this is the private room steps. And this is the non-private room steps. So they do have washers and dryers from 2 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. 70 pesos to get your clothes washed and dried. They have different things to do each night. I went on Miércoles. I went to ice cream night. You just meet at about 7 down in the lobby. They have recommendations. They have a large lost and found in case you lose something or need to find something. They offer beer. They sell beer here, and electrolyte drinks and bikes you can rent. Today, a lot of people went to Tequila. It was $45 to go with the group to Tequila, which is a great price. So they have a lot of outings. And then here's the lobby. They have a guitar. They have a TV. They do movies here at night. They have games. And Mrs. Allen, he is the one that you will most likely deal with. And then here's the cafe. And if you want to come in, you have to, they'll give you a code, and you have to use the code to get in. Here is the street. We are in Colonia Americana. It is a quite trendy neighborhood in this area. I mean, it is like the most of trendiest neighborhoods. I mean, you're in a great spot. You're on La Paz, which is 2 streets over from Libertad. It's central to everything, safe. And it is called Leveli Coliving. And you can rent it through Airbnb. But I will tell you that if you actually come in here, it's cheaper. I think I saved, I don't know, on the little bunk, on the hostel, it was a savings of $3, really. But I mean, that per night, that really adds up. And we'll take a look at the kitchen. This is the kitchen. They have a lot of stuff and a lot of things that are community use, like herbs and spices. They got water for you, which really saves you a lot of money because you got to buy a lot of water when you're here. They got a refrigerator, 2 refrigerators, one for the common folks and then one for the private beds. And they got a little spot down here where they put all their food that's gratis, free. And this is the jardin, so your garden. This is where people smoke and hang out in the hammocks. And they have a ping pong table. And they have a work area for you to do your work. And then they have even a juicer if you want to get to juice some stuff. Looks like they have a teapot that hasn't been used in a really long time. Yeah, it's a really nice place. They've got an oven. And what I really liked is they had an air fryer, which is cool. It's a nice air fryer too, an Instapot one. So that's cool. Somebody told me recently that they thought all Americans used microwaves to eat. And I was like, we all have microwaves, but we also use ovens and air fryers and stoves. So yeah, this is the Leveli Coliving, and here's another bathroom. It's a giant house. So I got some books, even books for you guys to read. And I thought I was going to do like a video where I'd say, this is where I'm staying. But I guess what happened is I turned on the camera and here we are. So you're going to get 2 codes to go through, and there's videos. So they got a Ring doorbell. It's very secure. So it's a really good place. And the other night when I went out to eat, I ate with somebody that was from Ireland, somebody that was from New Zealand, somebody that was from Australia, somebody that was from Oregon. There was me, of course, I'm from Carolina del Norte, and then somebody that was from Arizona. Then I've met people here from Germany. I've met people here from Russia. I've met people here from Mexico City. I've met people here from Ohio. So if you want to meet people and hang out with people, this is the place. Like I said, it's in a great neighborhood. Thank you guys for watching. I guess this video is just going to start, where I started it. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And come check it out. If you're going to stay in Guadalajara, this is a good place. $10 a night for the bunk beds. $10 a night. You can't beat that. Here's the prices up here, but they said the prices are not exactly right.
Ya, okay. En la pared, que es cerca de la estufa o arriba o donde quieras.
But they're close. The prices are close at least.
Shit.
All right. Well, you guys have a good day. Have a nice week. Check out all my other videos on Guadalajara. I have over 200 videos on Guadalajara and over 300 videos on Mexico. Thanks for watching. Adios.